welcome to Tricia's Makeup World. If you're new to the channel, hi, I'm Tricia and I like playing around with colourful makeup, and today we have got Arttitude Cosmetics, two new palettes. We have the Vintage Neutrals and we have the Urban Neutrals. I have done a couple of looks with them. I think they may be up on my shorts if you check them out. I think what we're going to do is we're going to start off with the Urban Neutrals, and this is more sort of cool toned. As you can see, I've been playing with it. I really like that one a lot. More sort of cool toned, sort of purpley, sort of greeny, neutrally looking. I think what we'll do is we'll probably do a smoky look with this, and then, well, I'm actually going out tonight, so we're going to play with the vintage one because there's like a nice pink shade in there. I'm going to be wearing a pink dress. We're just going to get stuck right in. And I'm just going to take a fluffy brush, and I think we're going to go into this one here first. And I'm just going to really lightly like so. I'm going to do the same at the other side. Really lightly. And that is called, if I could read it, Fresh. It's like a sort of a, I don't know, it's going on kind of like a sort of a minty, greeny sort of colour, almost. So, and then I'm going to take, I'm going to actually wipe that one up. And I'm going to go into this one over here now, and that is called, move it about to use it. Nightlife. I'm not going to put that. I'm just going very lightly, like so. I'm not blending it into that first shade. I'm just putting it next to it very lightly, like so. And I do have my base face on. I'm still using the Revolution Skin Silk foundation. I really like it a lot. This is it here. And I'm actually using a new sponge. Excuse the state of it. It's new. I got that from Arttitude Cosmetics. It's actually really nice. I'm enjoying it a lot. And the lipstick that I have on, it's a liquid lipstick by Jolie Beauty, who I'm affiliated with. I always put that down in the description if you want to go and check her out. She does really nice eyeshadow palettes. And next, I think we're going to go into this darker purpley shade here, and that is called Urban. Just going to tap it in, just to deepen up that purple. And just bring in like so. And do the same at the other side. I do have a lot of palettes to play with. I got for my Christmas the Harry Potter collection, so we will do a video with that. I am planning on being all Harry Potter with Pep. We're going to be like wizards in the video. And I did get a really nice palette actually from my brother and his wife as well. It's a La Rock one. I haven't saw La Rock for a while. I do have, do you know, it's one that they did, I actually really liked it at the time. They did a collab with, is it Saskia Field? She's an MUA. I think it's called Lost in Paradise, the palette that I have. This one is like a beginner's palette. It's really nice. It's got like a neutral palette and then it's got like a rainbow palette. So we'll do two looks with that as well. Quite like that. I'm just gonna, and then I'm going to go back in with the other fluffy brush. I'm going to that more sort of lighter one, and just very lightly pull that purpley shade out and blend it. Do the same at the other side. I've got all my Christmas decorations down. I feel like my house looks naked now. You get used to it, don't you? Seeing the Christmas decorations up and you're like, oh, it looks naked now. There we go. That looks too hard. I'm just making sure that they're both blended. I might deepen it up more at this side again. That's fine. And then I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to spray it. It's just a finishing spray that I got out of Poundland, and we are going to go into this one that's very crumbly. It's like a sort of a white iridescent sort of shimmer. It's really pretty. Very nice. It's kind of a reflex, sort of like sort of purples and blues. It's really pretty. Really pretty. I always like Arttitude Cosmetics shimmers. They're always really, really pretty. There we go. Let's bring that over. And then that was that one there, and that's called, if you can read it, Central. And I think we're going to go into this one down here, and that is called Penthouse. That's more sort of bluey. And I'm just going to beside that one to blend it into that purple, but I think I'll sort of marry it in there. So, I like that, that's nice. And then, maybe actually go over my blush. I have used one from Cosmic Brushes, or either Cosmic Brushes or Cosmic Beauty. I'm getting all confused here. We're going to go in with this one. This is from their Christmas collection, and it's Nutmeg. I'm just going to deepen it a bit. There we go. Like so. And I've got on from Julie Beauty. Hang on a second, I'll show you. I think is it Ember? I've put on the lips. Let me just check. Yes, this is their old packaging, Ember. And now we're going to take my Essence / Princess mascara, and I say in all my videos how cheap this is. You can get it on Just My Look for under a £5 basically. I think it's a really good mascara. I mean, I always put false eyelashes on anyway, 9 times out of 10. Sometimes I will just, you know, go with my own lashes, because I do have quite long eyelashes, but I do like to put false ones on. I've actually got a new glue that I need to test. I'm not going to do it in this video. It's a white glue. I always tend to use dual lash glue, and it's lash liner. That's what we're going to use today, but I've got another one that I need to test and try. Needed something new to watch on TV. Has anybody got anything they could suggest? Me and Alan have watched literally everything, and well, even on my own, I watch a lot of stuff on Netflix and Amazon, and I think I've exhausted I think I've watched literally everything. I've been watching a lot of, he's an author, his books have been turned into series. A lot of them are on Netflix. Harlan Coben. I've watched quite a lot of his. They're all sort of more like a thriller. They've been quite good. But yeah, I'm needing something new. I've watched Virgin River. I've watched Cobra Kai. I've watched everything. I'm needing something new to watch. I watched the one with Sylvester Stallone as well, Tulsa King. That was really, really good as well. But I need something new. So if you've got suggestions, please leave a comment down below. And this is the first look using Arttitude Cosmetics Urban Neutrals. I'll just open it up so you can see. It's a very cool toned palette, like I said, sort of purple, sort of bluey, tealy green shades, and there is obviously a pop of more sort of neutral, like the brown tones as well. Very, very nice. I really like it a lot. I'm loving this shimmer, and I'm actually loving all the shimmers in the palette. very, very nice. The mattes blend brilliantly. The shimmers are, as usual, outstanding. Very, very nice. Like the packaging, it comes, they always do like a sleeve, you know, that's over the top like that. What I'll do is I'll jump off and I'll take this look off. I will swatch the palettes and I will try and make sure, I said in the last video, because I'd missed putting them in the Christmas Cosmic Brushes collection, and then I revisited and I put swatches in, and I think it was probably even still the wrong swatches. I don't know. But I will make sure that I put the right ones in this video. And I will be back to film another video. Bye! And I'm back again, and we're just going to get stuck right into the second palette called Vintage Neutrals. I think I like this one better, I don't know. I'll just show you the colour scheme. So it's like that on the front, and then just open it up, take the plastic sheet out, and this is what it looks like. There's like pinks, greens, a little bit of neutral in there, really, really pretty. And we're just going to get stuck right in. Changed into my outfit for going out for tea. Going out for a meal with Alan tonight. Right, I think we are going to use this one here in the inner. I'm just gonna bring it up like so. I'm gonna do the same at the other side. Bring it up like so, and that is called, I think it's Vibes. I can't really do this. This one here that I've used. I'm just gonna do it again. So I'm going to take a fluffy brush and we're going to go into this one here, mix it, just to buff it out a bit. That's quite nice, and that's that one there, and that's called, I'm really struggling to read, I'm sorry guys. I'm blind. No, I can't read it. That one there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my angled brush again, and we're going to go into this one this time, the darker shade. And I'm just going to under like so, and do the same at the other side, and bring it, just make sure I can be smudged it here. I'm going to do it again. Yeah, I've smudged it. And then I'm going to take another fluffy brush and go into the pink. And I'm just going to I'm going to bring it on the right hand. So yeah, I'm going for more of a pinky look. Just for wearing the pink, I thought, yeah, we'll make it a bit more sort of pinky, but we'll make it just that a little bit more darker. And then I'm going to go into this one here. I might actually put a wee bit of spray on. I've still got the same lipstick on from the first look, the Jolie Beauty one. I'll go over everything in a wee minute. I'm just going to bring it over. To the corners of it. And I think we might even go into this one here. I'm just going to just very lightly at the sides, just tap that on. Yeah, quite like that. And I might even put a little bit just on my cheeks. Just a little bit. Yeah, that'll do. Doesn't have to be a lot. And then I'm going to go into my mascara. Lash Princess one again. And me and Alan are going out for a meal because Christmas time, Alan was really sick, so he never really got his Christmas dinner, so we never really got out over the Christmas period at all. We don't go out for cake or anything like that anymore. Too old. Don't enjoy it. It's more for the young ones. And then I'm going to go into another pair of lashes that are pre-trimmed. I'm going to take my Dual Lash Glue. So seems to be happening to me lately. One lash never ever wants to sit. There we go. And that's it. And that's using Arttitude Cosmetics Vintage Neutrals. I really like this one. I think this is probably my favourite. I thought I was going to like the Urban Neutrals more because it's cool toned and purples and things, but I really like this a lot with the pink and the green. I mean, I've done looks where I've put maybe the green in the inner and, you know, had a bit of pink on the outer. Various different, I mean, you could do it with the orange, you could do it, and see if you're not keen on colour. This is what I like about these palettes. There's neutral shades in there, so you could just do a completely neutral look with the neutral shades, or if you wanted to try a little bit of colour, you could put a pop of colour in the inner, you know, and keep it still quite neutral. It's really nice. The shimmers are really pretty. I really like it a lot. Anyway, I hope you've liked watching my video. Comment down below which look did you like best. Did you like the first look first, or do you like this one? I'll see you all again next week for a new video. Bye!